Umnyango wezempilo uphenya isigameko lapho isibhedlela sasesibokeng sinikeze khona abazali idumbu zeingane okungezona ezabo ezimbili. Umndeni owodwa usuvela ungcwabile. Akujwayelekile ke nokho ukuthi kulesibhedlela kube nezingane ezalwe seyidlulile emhlabeni.
Ushiyeke ekhwanqisekile umzali akufumanisa ukuba umntwana wakhe oswelekileyo kungenzeka ukuba utshintshene nomnye umntwana esibhedlele. Oku kungenzeka ukuba wangcwatywa komnye umzi.
It might happen ukuthi bamnikeze enye family, then sathi okay, it's fine, must meet naleyo family le. Then kuyenzakale ama arrangement sazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani, yeah, any way forward from here. Then izolo we met ne family. Then must meet ne family kwaba nama arguments, yeah, then sathi sicela i-DNA test. Ngoba astrust nokuthi njoba leyo family leyo ingcwabile umntana wethu loyo olapho kuleyo graveyard leyo.
Uvavanyo lwe-DNA luyaqhuba, iziphumo zingaphuma emveni kweveki. Isebe lezempilo laseGauteng lithi linolwazi ngale meko.
As a department, we are really very sorry that there was such an occurrence. And yes, indeed, we've had a situation where 2 young women gave birth 2 days apart, and they both gave birth to macerated stillbirths. And when the first family came to fetch the corpse of the baby to bury, they were unfortunately, allegedly given a wrong corpse.
Usapho lwakwamfaba lulindele iziphumo ngexhala, nanjengoko iziphumo ze-DNA izizo ezizoza noxolo emoyeni wabo. Ndingu-Onesipho Ndamase, weendaba ze-SABC eGauteng.